If you're learning English and your problem is your bad memory, this video is for you. Let's go. Me personally, I always use a technique called Tick 8. So what is it and how does it work? First, imagine that you are going to memorize some words, right? You're going to learn some vocabularies, structures, whatever. Let's say we have a vocabulary book I don't know, Oxford for the Skills, right? It has different units, unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, okay? So you are going to learn and read and memorize unit 1. So you are going to open your book and read the words and memorize it, right? Wrong. You are gonna forget them all because, you know why? Because you just read them. You just memorized them. I mean, nowadays, 21st century, you don't have to memorize things. You don't have to memorize words. It's wrong. So, what should you do? My friend, first, you are going to buy a notebook. Special notebook, specifically for this purpose, okay? So you have to buy. If you just use other notebooks, it does not work. So let's say you've got the notebook, okay? You are going to write the words in that notebook, okay? So for the first unit. Next day, you are going to read second unit, right? Wrong. Second day, you are going to read first unit and then second unit. So on the second day, you're just going to read how many units? 2 units. Day 3, how many units? 3 units. Yes, unit 1, 2, and 3. So day 4, 4 units. Day 5, 5 units. Day 6, 7, 8. But on day 9, how many units you're going to read? 9? No, 8. We call this method Tick 8. Why? Because every day you're going to check, okay? You're going to check 8 boxes that, hey, I checked it, the first unit, second unit, third unit, okay? But, the first 7 units, because you read them once and you just know them, are going to be easy for you. They're not hard. They're not, hard to write. They're not hard to understand. So when you just glance at them, just see them, for once, you're going to understand that, hey, they're easy. Yeah, that one, that word, yeah, okay. Oh, like that, okay? So on the day 9, you're going to delete day 1. On day 10, you're going to delete day 1 and 2. On day 11, you're going to delete the day 1, 2, 3. Just like that. For the rest of the book, if it's 45 unit, 50 unit, 60 unit, whatever that is, okay? So you're going to continue until here, okay? And there is a big point that I've got to tell you, that I'm gonna tell you, and that is not memorizing them. You are going to see 12 words each day, right? And you're going to memorize specifically that word. We don't have any meaning in English and in any languages. In your own language, imagine that you have some words that has multiple meanings, right? We do have in any languages, we do have some words that they have multiple meanings. So you cannot have You cannot like do that. You cannot have like read and write the meanings. So what should we do, teacher? No, you should know the definition of those words. I mean, what those words are defining and what those words are working on that sentence. I mean, you should know and you should learn that words on that sentence. And let's say, hey, in this sentence, this word means this. In the next sentence, this word means this. And if you like learning vocabularies with like good books like Oxford Word Skills, which I recommend, you have like texts, you have like quizzes, like you have different contexts that you can learn words and vocabularies on those contexts. And yeah, so like let's say you did it and you wrote the words and their definition in your notebook. And so what next? I'm gonna tell you. The next thing is that, hey, before going to sleep, you have to like practice, not practice, you just have to glance, you just have to like see the words before sleeping for 10 minutes. Not 15 minutes, not 20 minutes, not half an hour, not an hour. Why? I say 10 minutes because learning a new language is not just a day or 2 days. It's like a routine. It's a lifestyle. You just have to keep it up. You just have to like endure like the way. And if you read for 1 hour before going to sleep, you're gonna do that for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and then you're not gonna do that anymore. Let me tell you. I know, I did it. So because of that, because it would be easy for you to, you do that every night, you can, like before going to sleep, like revise the words once again. Like you can do that, like revising and like, I'm not gonna say, hey, open your notebook again and write and these kind of things. No, just see and go to bed, okay? Because there is a part inside our brain, I don't know like the name right now, I forgot the name. But if you do that before going to sleep, the process of learning English is going to like continue in your sleeping. It's not that much if you think that, hey, if I go to sleep, I'm gonna learn English. No, it's not like that, but it helps. It helps, let me tell you. If you do that every night for straight like 21 days, it helps, my friend, I'm gonna tell you. And yeah, do that and you're gonna have my blessings. That was all about today. If you like such videos, just tell me in the comments. So I'm gonna just record more videos like this for you guys. Yes, okay. Yeah, if you have any questions, hit me up and I'm gonna reply. And that was all about today. Have a great day or night. Bye.